Origami tessellations are often seen as magical patterns that need to be done exactly as the crease pattern dictates, and need to be pre-creased and then collapsed magically all at once, as if you were a computer simulation, but that's not how I see them at all. I actually see origami tessellations as a playground of infinitely many patterns that you can create variations of quickly and easily by generating structures, by making choices as you're folding. So how is this possible? Well, when you fold one twist at a time, so instead of pre-creasing each line segment in a crease pattern before trying to collapse, you're folding a closed square, open square, closed triangle, open triangle, closed hexagon, open hexagon, right triangle, rhombus, all the twists that I teach in Basic Twist Bootcamp. And you're able to start playing with things like seeing, okay, from the first lesson, you have this block, but what if you add a bit more space before you do the next set of twists? There you go, you have a new pattern. You have a new function. You can do a different extent of the pattern. So if you'd like to learn more about these twists, head over to training.gatheringfolds.com/BTB